Hiya, I recorded this video a very long time ago, 7 years ago. It was how to remove this yucky burnt on stain on an iron and make it brand new. I recorded it on a GoPro and it was done really quickly. I need to do it again, and so I will show you again how to do it. A lot of questions that arised from last time. What's an alternative to paracetamol? Search up paracetamol on Wikipedia and you'll find what their other names are. This here is a paracetamol tablet. It is completely uncoated, so it's just in its shaped form without any coating or capsule on it. If you have a coating or a capsule, it's going to burn off and create fumes. You'll need about 3 of these. You'll also need a J-cloth. I think that's a brand, so any cloth, and some oven gloves or tweezers or something to hold the tablet with. Make sure the iron is on really hot, and I'm going to show you really close up. I'm doing this with my fingers because otherwise you won't be able to see. So just rub it along. Hopefully you can see that, and as you go along, just give it a wipe. Please do not burn your fingers. Only adults should be doing this. But you can already see that's come up beautifully. Just some thoughts that came into my mind. We've used about 4 paracetamols. There is absolutely no fumes and no smell at all that comes out, and I did get that comment from some people who said you ruined my iron, or it made a lot of fumes. I think if you're using a coated tablet, and obviously if that's rubber or gelatin or whatever, that's going to make a smell. I got hubby holding the tablets because I struggle holding small things as a henna artist. I need some muscle. He's showing some muscle there. These are really handy when the tablets have been wiped with the J-cloth, and that's still really hot and that can burn, so the gloves are really helpful. When you're done, just fill it with water and go over a piece of old clothing or an old pillowcase, just to remove any gunk that may have built up or got into the little steam holes, which mine has. I've got a little piece that's stuck onto this pillowcase here. Be really close up so you can see the iron is completely clean. The little circle bits here are a little bit difficult to get into, and bearing in mind that our iron is around 14 years old, I think we've done a pretty good job. It saved us from, although we're well overdue a new iron, you know, we don't have to buy one right now when I really need it the most. Time is precious and I need to iron my sari now. So with this clean iron, I can do just that. I really hope this is useful to you. If you do try it, please make sure it's a paracetamol or equivalent. Any other capsule might give you fumes, it might damage your iron, it might scratch your iron. As you can see, there were no scratches on this one. I hope that all the other feedbacks that were on my other video have been addressed in this video. Please do subscribe, rate, comment, and if you think this is a really great idea, please do share it with your friends on social media, on Facebook and everywhere else. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye. My finger was burnt in the making of this video.